Good morning, students. So, as we are discussing chapter number 5 of class 10, chapter name is arithmetic progression. In the previous videos, we have completed up to question number 3 of exercise 5.3. Today, we will start exercise with question number 4. So, question number 4 is how many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636. Okay. So here we have to find out n. हमको क्या पता करना है यहाँ पे n पता करना है and AP is given. So first term is 9, second term is 17, third term is 25. So first we will write given that in the question given that A is equals to 9, okay, and D is equals to 20. Either we can subtract 25 minus 17 or we can subtract 17 minus 9. So this is equal to 8. Okay. So D is equal to 8 and A is equal to 9. And sum of the n terms equals to 636. So we can say AN is equal to 636. Okay. Now we have to calculate terms. Terms means n. What is n in the question? Okay. So we know that Sn is equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 multiply by d. Okay. हमको पता है Sn का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है n अपॉन 2 2a plus n minus 1 multiply by d. Now put the value here. So Sn is 636. So 636 is equal to n upon 2 multiply by 9. a कितना है यहाँ पे 9 times में 2 multiply by 9 n minus 1 and d is equal to 8. Okay. So 636 multiply by 2 equals to ये जो 2 है मैंने डिवीजन से इधर मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ले लिया and 2 multiply by 9 18 plus 8 and minus 8 and minus okay 8 का मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया and minus 1 में this is equals to 636 multiply by 2 is equals to n okay 8 n plus 10 is remaining. यहाँ पर 8 नेगेटिव है 18 पॉजिटिव है तो 8 n plus 10 equals to here we can take 2 common. So 636 multiply by 2 equals to n or I am taking 2 common so n multiply by 2 or we can write 2 multiply by n also. So 4n plus 5 is remaining. Here 2 is cancelled by 2 equals to 636 is equals to 4n square. n का मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया 4n से this is equals to 4n square plus 5. Okay. So this is forming a quadratic equation 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Okay. Now solve this quadratic equation. So I am going to solve this quadratic equation by quadratic formula. You can solve by any method. There are 3 methods which we have already learned in the quadratic equation. Okay. So on solving our equation by quadratic formula. Okay. So quadratic formula equals to here this is n. So n is equals to minus b plus minus under the square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, so we have value of a, b and c. A is equals to 4. We can write a is equals to 4, b is equals to 5 and c is equals to minus 6, 3, 6. Okay, now put the values. So n is equals to minus b is 5, so minus 5 plus minus b square means square of 5 minus 4, a is 4 and c is minus 6, 3, 6 upon 2a, 2 multiplied by 4. Okay, so n is equal to minus 5, 25 plus multiply minus, sorry, minus multiply minus, this is plus. Okay, if we multiply 4 multiply by 6, 3, 6, this is equal to 10176 upon 8. Okay, if we add 25 plus 10176, this is equal to 10201. So n is equal to minus 5 plus minus, okay, this is plus minus 10201 upon 8. Okay, and what is the square root of 10201? This is 101. Okay, so we can directly write and equals to minus 5 plus minus 101 upon 8. First we take minus 5 plus 101 upon 8. Second time we take negative. So students, n is equals to minus 5 plus 101 upon 8. पहले मैं पॉजिटिव ले रहा हूँ यहाँ पर. So n is equals to minus 5 plus 101, 96 is remaining upon 8. 8 बन जाए 8 to the 12. So here n is equals to plus 12. Now we take negative minus 5 minus 101. ये नेगेटिव कहाँ से आ रहा है? जो ये प्लस माइनस का साइन है, एक बार प्लस लेते हैं एक बार माइनस लेते हैं अपॉन 8, दैट इज इक्वल टू minus 106 upon 8. Okay, so this value is already negative. As I told you, the value of n is always a positive integer. Okay, so 12 is positive integer and this is negative value. So what is the value of n? That is equal to 12. So we will write value of n cannot be equal to negative. So there are 12 terms in the AP to get sum 636. ओके, सो 636 का सम लाने के लिए कितने टर्म्स होंगे एपी में? दे आर 12 टर्म्स. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 6. द फर्स्ट एंड द लास्ट टर्म ऑफ एन एपी आर 17 एंड 350. फर्स्ट टर्म 17 है और जो लास्ट टर्म है वो आपकी 350 है. आप इसको एन भी बोल सकते हैं और एल भी बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है. If the common difference is 9, common difference means जो d है वो हमें क्वेश्चन में 9 given है. How many terms are there and what is their sum? How many terms means कितने terms हैं. तो जब भी terms की बात करता है we always calculate n. Okay, so here we have to calculate and after that what is their sum means जो भी n की वैल्यू आएगी so उतने ही terms का हमको क्या बताना है? sum बताना है. Okay. So first, what is given in the question? So given that age equals to 70, or L, or we can say AN is equals to 350 and D is equals to 9. Okay, now put the values. We know that what the formula of AN, so we know that AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 multiplied by D. We can also write L equals to, so 350 is equals to A plus N minus 1 multiplied by D. D is 9. Okay, so 350 is equals to A plus 9n माइनस 9. मैंने 9 का मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया n माइनस 1 में, तो कितना आएगा 9n माइनस 9. ओके, सो वी कैन राइट 350 प्लस 9 इज इक्वल टू a प्लस 9. So this is equals to 359 equals to first term a, that is equal to 70 plus 9. Okay, so 359 minus 17 is equals to 9 है. इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेंगे यहाँ पे, तो ये आ जाएगा 243 is equals to 9 है. ओके, so n is equals to 342 upon 9. 9 3 जा 27. Okay, and 9 8 ja 72. So n is equals to 30. Now we got the value of n, and we have to also calculate as 38. Okay, so we know that. Now we will use next formula. Fn is equals to n upon 2. Okay, a plus an. क्वेश्चन में हमको a और an गिवन है, तो इसलिए हम a प्लस an वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे, जिससे जो कैलकुलेशन है वो हमारे यहाँ पे शॉर्ट हो जाएगी. ओके, सो F38 is equals to 38 upon 2, age 17 and an is 350. Okay, F38 equals to 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18. Okay, now add these values 7 6 3. Okay, 7 6 3, and F38 is equals to 367 multiplied by 19. After solving 367 multiplied by 19, this is equals to 6973. Okay, so the sum of first 38 terms of the given AP is equals to 6973. So sum of the first 38 terms of the AP equals to 6970.